In fact, it is quite a mop, and he is very proud of it. He is a Papuan, and the islands that he lives in are called the Papuan Islands, and are a very long way from Africa, which is where the Negroes live. He is a tall, fine-looking man with a beautiful figure, and he looks very much better naked than he would do if he were dressed. And when I said that he was black, this is not quite true, because he is really brown, but it is such a very dark brown that he looks black. The man is such a very dark brown that he looks black, that people will call him a black man. So that is what we would call this Papuan. Now, this black man is very quick and active, which is what most savages are, and he can climb trees almost as well as a monkey. When he finds one of those trees where the great birds of paradise have their parties, their suckerlelies, that is what he calls them, it is where their meetings and the dancing party. He climbs up into it early in the morning before it is daylight, and waits for them to come. It does not matter how tall the tree is, and this kind of tree is very tall, or how dark it may be. This naked born savage climbs up it quite easily and without slipping, just like a monkey. He takes up with him some leafy branches of another tree, and with these he makes a little screen to sit under, so that the birds of paradise shall not see him. Besides this, he takes his bow and arrows to shoot the poor birds with, for he does not use a gun, which would make too much noise, and besides, the shot would hurt the beautiful plumage. The arrows do not hurt the plumage as the shot would, because at the end of each one there is a piece of wood shaped something like an acorn, but as large as a teacup, and the large end of it makes what would be the point of an ordinary arrow. The poor birds are hit with that great smooth piece of wood. They are killed because it hits them so hard, but their plumage is not hurt at all, for nothing has gone into the skin or torn the feathers. So the naked black man waits behind his screen for the great birds of paradise to come, and as soon as they come and begin to spread their plumes, he shoots first one, then another of them with his great wooden arrows, and they fall down dead underneath the tree. And, do you know, they are so occupied in showing off their beautiful plumes and so happy and excited as they spread them out and look through them, or fly like little feathery cascades from branch to branch, that it is not until quite a number of them have been killed, for the black savage does not often miss his aim, that the others take fright and fly away. Then the black man climbs down from the tree and picks up the poor beautiful dead birds and takes them to another man who is yellow and not quite so naked as he is, who gives him something for them, but not so much as he ought to. The yellow man cheats the black man, and when he has cheated him, he takes the skins to a white man, who is quite dressed and civilized, and sells them to him, and the white man cheats him a good deal more than he has cheated the black man, for of course the white man is the cleverest of the three. You see, there are yellow men in those countries called Malays, as well as black men, and a good many white men go there as well. Then the white man puts all the beautiful skins that he has bought from the yellow man, as well as a great many others, which have been brought to him from all the country and from all the islands round about, into one of those large kinds of boxes called crates, which I have told you about, and it is put on board a ship where there are a great many others of the same kind, all full of the skins and feathers of beautiful birds that have been killed. And the ship sails to England, and then up the Thames to London, where the crates are taken out and put into great vans and driven away to the great ugly warehouses to be unpacked and laid on the floor there in a heap, all as I have told you. You know what happens to them then. And now, I will tell you something funny that I dare say you would never have thought of, but which is quite true all the same. At the great heap of brightly colored feathers lying on the floor, to make which hundreds of thousands of the most beautiful birds in the world have been killed, and hundreds of thousands of their young ones that would have grown up beautiful too have been starved to death in the nest, that great big heap of the loveliest plumage is not so lovely, not nearly so beautiful as one living thrush, or one living blackbird, or one living swallow, or one living robin redbreast. That is the difference between life and death. A live bird of paradise is hundreds of times more beautiful than a live blackbird or thrush or swallow or robin redbreast. But when it is dead, it is not so beautiful there. Its feathers are more beautiful still, of course, but where are the waving feathers, the floating plumes, the bright eyes, the quick, graceful movements, and the flight, the glorious flight of a bird? They are gone. They are gone forever, and in their place there's only stiffness and deadness and dustiness. Oh, never wish to see a dead bird paradise in a hat when you can see a living thrush or blackbird on the lawn of your garden, or a living swallow flying over it. And even if you can never see a living bird of paradise, as I dare say you never will be able to, what then? What then? You can't see everything, but have you not got an imagination? Your mother, who has got one, will tell you what it is. And is it not better to imagine a beautiful bird flying about in life and loveliness, to see it dead? People who have these hats with the birds of paradise or other beautiful birds sewn into them, how much do you think they really care about them? Do they ever look at them after they have once been born? No, they never do. Sometimes they look in the glass with the hat on, yes, but then it is only to see themselves in the hat, not the hat. So now you know what kind of birds the birds of paradise are, and how very beautiful they are, and you know how gloriously beautiful the great bird of paradise is, and how it is killed and not allowed to live and be happy just because it is so beautiful. Now these great birds of paradise live only in some quite small islands, and just in one part of one large one. And although there may be a good many of them where they do live, yet if they are always being killed in that way, very soon there will be no more of them left. Then there will be no more great birds of paradise in the world, for they do not live outside those islands, and when they are once gone, they can never, never come again. But do you not think that it would be a dreadful thing if such a bird as this beautiful great bird of paradise that I have told you about, were to be